Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find SiriusXM radio, Bluetooth, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather seats, panic alarm.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.